My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the scary pop-ups that come from the site Bacin.live. Bacin.live is a deceptive site. By the way, it may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Also, it may attack both Windows and Mac devices. The pop-up by Bacin.live is a fake alert. It is not related to Apple or Microsoft, but the pop-up could mention that somehow it is related to these companies. Instead, all these pop-ups by Bacin.live are totally faulty and deceptive. Don't tolerate them, don't interact with them. Such pop-ups may be the result of some adware on your computer. I recommend you to carefully research your system with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and then begin researching your device in order to detect and remove other infections from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.